I come, sir?
Yes, come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Gauri, take it.
Yes, sir.
Just take your seat. Okay, Gauri, what are you doing currently?
Sir, I am currently doing PGDC, ICS paper.
Okay.
Yes.
Why are you learning computer?
Sir, nowadays is a very necessary computer, sir, and I have not the knowledge in computer, sir, so I learn.
Very good, very good. Gauri, now tell something about yourself.
Sir, my name is Gauri K. I am from Nipur and currently staying in Tulsinagar, Kolkata, Nipur. And sir, I have completed my bachelor degree in this college level. And sir, I am doing currently PGDC. I belong to nuclear family. There are 9 members in my family. My father is named Mr. Anante. He is a farmer, and my mother name is Mrs. Sukriti. She is a housemaker, and I have two brothers and two sisters.
Okay, that is very good. You live in joint family. Okay. So, who all are there in your family?
Sir, uh, two brothers and two sisters. Sir, my big brother is married.
He got married.
Yeah, yes, sir. He is a government teacher, and my sister-in-law, she is also government teacher, and my big sister is sir, A&M sister, and younger brother, sir, he is a farmer.
Okay. So, your elder brother is a teacher.
Yes,
Okay. To which classes does he teach?
sir, he is a teacher primary school.
Actually, that's great. So, what is the aim of your life? What do you want to become?
Yes, sir. Sir, my aim, sir, I want to become a graduate.
Okay, that's nice. And I think you are doing MA English.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you have done BA.
Yes, sir.
So, in BA, you have English literature or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And in 12th, what was your subject?
Sir, sir, bio.
Bio.
Yes, sir.
So, why did you switch from bio to English?
Yes, sir. When I was 12th class, then I choose bio, but sir, I come to college and I admission in college. So, sir, I choose English because sir, nowadays is a very necessary in English, and I'm not comfortable in English. So, sir, I choose English.
Okay, now tell me one more thing.
Yes, sir.
In your graduation, you have also English.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you have improved your English how many years back?
Sir, I improve my English, sir, in running his BA, and after then I take in MA English. Then, sir, I join Medical English Academy, so my English is a very good.
Okay, that's great. Okay, now you told me that you want to become a teacher.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the reason to become a teacher?
Sir, reason is, sir, my aim is become a great teacher. Sir, um, sir, my family background is a teacher family, so I think I become a teacher.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
you should also become a teacher.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so is it easy to become a teacher?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how it is easy?
Sir, it is not easy, but sir, teacher life is good, and they have teaching children, and children is respect to teacher, and teacher also loving caring students, and they have daily delegates take a duty, and sir, teacher life is good.
Okay, very good. So, do you want to open your own institute or do you want to get a job for teaching?
Sir, no sir, I not open my own
Okay.
institute. I join schools.
Okay, you will join any school or
Yes,
college for
yes,
teaching.
yes.
Okay. Chali, now tell me something about your hobbies. What are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies like reading books, newspaper, and sir, singing, dancing, and drawing.
So, do you read books every day?
Yes, sir. Every day books like English grammar and newspaper, English newspaper, magazines.
Okay, what is the benefit of reading?
Sir, benefit is sir, improve my English and talking and I'm talking English very easily with my friends, my teachers. Sir, improve.
That's very good. Okay, and you have also told that your hobby is traveling too. So, which place have you visited recently?
Recently, sir, I went to training Kurkhamla, Maharashtra, and Tirupati Balaji.
Okay, have you ever participated in any school level competition or any event?
Yes, sir. I was like sir, 12th class and BA first year, so I went participate like singing and rangoli.
Singing in Rangoli. So have you ever got any award?
Yes, sir. I get second prize in rangoli.
Actually, that's great. Okay, and where did you complete your schooling?
Sir, I did complete my schooling, high school Bhimpur, high secondary school Bhimpur, in my 12th class.
Okay, that's great. Okay, now tell me, why do you want to get a job?
Because sir, I am currently doing PGDCA and only 4 hours and all time is I am free, so I want job, sir.
Okay, so in this free time you can prepare for any exam also.
Yes, sir, but sir, I want job because sir, I need to money and sir, that job is because I learn to and this is like Miracle English Academy is the best academy. So I am also in this student of this Miracle English Academy. So sir, I know English Academy is how so I join. I want to job and
Okay, you want this job.
yes, sir.
Okay, and you are telling that your father is a farmer, your brother is a job doer,
Yes, sir.
and you told that there is a requirement of money.
Yes, sir.
So yes, money is essential for everyone,
Yes, sir.
but having the support,
Yes, sir.
why do you want to earn money?
Sir, because it's I have sir like I am currently doing PGDC, so they have pay to money in the institute and sir like marketing and I have my nephew sir she is doing college, so they have also submitted college fee. So I think I have.
Okay, actually that's great. Are your parents ready for this job?
Yes, sir. My parents also.
Okay. Now, how will you achieve your aim by doing this job? How will you achieve your goal
Yes, sir.
by doing this job?
Sir, I manage because sir, I work in this job in 6 hours, and I go to my room and I will I give time in myself and daily hard working. I will hard working and I achieve my goal.
Okay, Chani, that's great. Okay, so it means after this job time, you will utilize that time in your study too much.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What can you say about your family? Is your family supportive?
Yes, sir. My family also support me, and
Okay, suppose you did not get your desirable job. So do you have planning for that? Suppose you don't get job then.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Um, my family also support me, and I do not get job, so my family members support.
Okay, your family members can support. That's good. Now you have scored 75% in 10th class.
Yes, sir.
And in 12th class you have 63%.
Yes, sir.
So there is a big gap of 12%.
Yes, sir. Sir, when I was 10th class, sir, that time is subject is very easily like maths, Sanskrit, science, social science, Hindi, English. But sir, when I come to I was 12th class, so sir, chemistry is a very hard subject. So I can not make that subject. So that percent is very low. Sir.
Okay, this is the reason.
Yeah.
And in 10th class, what is the reason for higher percentage?
Sir, that time I was very hardworking because 10th class is a board class. So that I am hardworking and I get a 75 marks. But sir, I was 12th class, so that subject is a very hard, sir. It's no make me so percent is a very low.
Okay, actually that's great. Now, who told you about this job? In this organization, we have the job. Who told you about this?
Sir,
How did you know about this job? Who told you about this job?
yes, sir. This job, sir, I saw my friend's status and I saw this complaint. So I know this job.
Okay.
About this job.
Which strength do you have? Why should we give you job?
Sir, this job, sir, because sir, I need this job. Like I am Currently, I am joined to Miracle, but after then I go to PGDCA. Then like for 5 hours is a free time. So I think I need to job and I doing to job. I should be doing jobs.
Okay, very good. So, what qualities have you for this job? Can you handle students in their communication?
Yes, sir. I will handle students and I will teach.
Okay, and can you teach English also?
Yes, sir. I will try. I teach students also, and I will manage.
Okay, very good. Okay, do you know something about social media?
Yes, sir. Like I know social media like Facebook, Instagram, and Telegram, like anything. So no, sir.
Okay, that's good. Now, one more thing that I'm asking. Due to job, sometimes you get late also.
Yes, sir.
So, are you ready for that?
Yes, sir. I am ready.
And sometimes it might happen that you have to work for more than 6 hours also.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir. I will. I am ready, and sir, I will try.
Okay, have you ever tried to call to any stranger?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so suppose we give you task of telecalling
Yes, sir.
to other students.
Yes,
So
sir.
can you do it?
Yes, sir. I can do.
Actually, that's great. Okay, so do you want a full-time job or part-time job?
Yes, sir. I want to part time.
Okay, no full-time.
No, sir.
Okay, what should be the purpose of our job? What should be the purpose of our job? Purpose, objective. Okay, let it go. Okay, now suppose we give you the timing of 12 o'clock to 5 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Can you manage that time?
Yes, sir. I will manage 12 or 5 o'clock. Yes, sir.
Okay, and suppose you have to engage our classes.
Yes, sir.
So can you teach a student?
Yes, sir. I will try and I teach my students.
Okay, but teachers doesn't try, they execute the things.
Yes, sir.
So are you confident enough to do that?
Yes, sir. I will manage my confidence.
Okay, suppose you get this job.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are fresher.
Yes, sir.
And when we talk about jobs, so there is pressure in every job.
Yes, sir.
So can you handle the pressure?
Yes, sir. I will handle this case.
Okay, and one more thing that we require, that is responsible.
Yes, sir.
So are you a kind of person who can take the responsibility of something?
Yes, sir. I am taker responsible.
Okay, you can be experienced. Okay. Nice. What strength do you have? What is your strength?
Sir, my strength, I am disciplined girl and I am motivation self person and I am
Okay. So suppose you get the offer letter from us.
Yes.
Okay. So whom will you call the first?
sir. I call first my family.
So will they be happy in that?
Yes, sir. Also, sir.
Chaliye. Good, nice. So Gauri, is it your contact number?
Yes, sir. Krishna.
Okay. So as the other candidates are also waiting for their interviews,
Yes, sir.
so once this interview session will conduct,
Yes, sir.
okay, and all people we can interact. So if this is your contact number, so we shall let you know about the further procedure.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So nice to talk with you. Keep this resume and submit it to the reception.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.